Hello everyone, I come back again with a new video. It's not really new, you can see it in my channel, but it's in Arabic and this time in English. Today I'm going to tell you the whole secrets for a sponge cake. This sponge cake is the perfect one. It's easy to make and it's so yummy and fluffy. If you'll try the sponge cake on my way, you're not going to be regretful. Let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to need milk, oil, sugar, eggs, orange peel or orange skin, vanilla and baking powder, salt, flour and cocoa. At the beginning, I'm going to put the eggs, sugar, vanilla, orange skin, white vinegar into a big bowl, and I'm going to whisk the whole ingredients at least 10 minutes or until I see the mixture is white like this. I'm going to add the milk, but slowly, because I want the mixture to still high, otherwise I'm not going to have a good cake. I'm adding the milk and still whisking, and after that I'm going to add the oil and I'm still whisking too, but slowly, because if I add the milk or the oil all at the same time, the mixture is going to fall and we're not going to have the sponge cake. Sorry. The mixture should be thick like this. After that, I'm going to add the flour, cocoa, and baking powder. I'm going to whisk them together. But of course, at the beginning, I've sifted the flour and the cocoa. And now I will add the dry ingredients in 3 or 4 stages. And I'm going to whisk with a spatula. It's going to be so suitable for this step. It's good to add the dry ingredients like this, slowly and soft. I shouldn't be fast because I want the mixture to still high to get the sponge cake that I want. A lot of people think that it's so hard to make the sponge cake or this kind of cake, which I am going to decorate it, but not in this video, the next video. But it's really not so hard if you know the secrets or if you follow these steps which I made. You are going to have the sponge cake that you want. And now the mixture is ready. I'm going to add it into a baking tray. I will bake it in the oven, which I warmed before on 350 for 40 or 50 minutes. We should watch it. We can't open the oven because that's not going to be good for the cake. Now I'll see if it's ready or not. I'm going to test it with a wood stick, a small wood stick. If we see it that it's clean like this, that's mean it's ready and it's so good. And now I'm finished and this is the result. It's really wonderful and yummy. And this is the result, and it's look amazing. I prefer this recipe for sponge cake because it's so good. If we want to eat this cake with a tea or coffee, it's going to be amazing. It's so delicious and so yummy. And if we want to decorate this sponge cake with a cream or ganache or whatever we want, it will be amazing. If you try it, you're gonna love it. And now the last step, I'm going to cut the cake for 3 layers, because in the next video I'm going to decorate it. I will show you how I'm going to cut it. We should use a sharp knife to do this. Usually I cut the cake like this without complication. It's so easy. With a sharp knife, I use only a sharp knife. That's the first layer. Look at the cake from inside. It's so good and fluffy. And I'm going to cut the second layer slowly too, just like this. And now I'm almost finished. And this is the second and the third layer, which I'm going to decorate it in the next video. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you need any question, you can leave it in the comments. I'm going to be happy to answer it. Wait for me in a new video to show you how I'm going to decorate a sponge cake. See you in the next video. Bye bye.